It's almost like playing Lincoln Logs, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think these young guys watching this don't know what that's all about, will they?
No.
It's not like roadblocks, it's like Lincoln Logs.
I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to some place where I've never been before.
This particular unit that we're installing down here at St. Elmo Lake in Minnesota is going to be coming with the Hume Hive Mini. And you can kind of see, like, when you order this thing, all these little boxes are around it are all the boxes of rocks that you need to build this. I believe this one comes with 9 boxes. If I remember right. Yep, 9 boxes of rocks. This is pretty cool. We're looking forward to this project because he's putting in a Himalayan light, salt light, and he's putting in a Hume light also. So when this thing is done, it's gonna look freaking pretty sweet. I can't wait to get this up and loaded and into the sauna, and it should be done. It should take 2 days for us to make. That's what we got kind of estimated. This is the controller that comes with the Hume. We don't have that box open yet, but that's how you control it, and it's also Wi-Fi, so you can control it with an app on your phone. These Hume furnaces are pretty freaking sweet. I got one in my sauna too, and even Max approves of them, huh, buddy? So yeah, this is the setup. This is the guts, I guess I would call, of the Georgian sauna that we're going to be constructing. And this is when it arrives with us. This is kind of how it looks. It's on a pallet, and then we install everything. Pretty cool. We are locked and loaded, ready to go on this fine Tuesday night. It is snowing. It's about 7:30, and we're heading down to St. Elmo Lake, down by the Twin Cities, to go build this Canadian timber Georgian model sauna. And yeah, we would have been there a couple days earlier, but there's a huge snowfall down there in the cities. Now we're actually getting it tonight. Can't really see it, but we'll be fine. We'll get there. Hopefully this will be about a 2-day build between my partner Danny and I, and it's gonna look pretty awesome when she's done. Everything that we showed you earlier is all back here, the rocks, all the other good stuff's in the back of the pickup. And yeah, that's how we do. We build these saunas for people along with custom made ones. We bring barrel saunas out of the country, and let's rock and roll. We got a long night ahead of us. So we just arrived down near the Twin Cities in Coon Rapids, where we're going to stay for the night. And you might be asking, why did you take off so late and drive all night to get here? And that's because I couldn't miss my daughter's wrestling tournament. It was on a weekday tonight, and yeah, she's been really busting her butt for the last few years, doing really good this year. And I just want to show you her matches tonight, so you guys can learn a little bit more about the little stinkeroo Paisley. And yeah, check her out. This is why we got in at about 12:30 at night, and we drove all night because we did not want to miss her stuff. And whenever I can watch, I definitely do. So check her out. It's pretty awesome.
Showing how funky and strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, beat it. No one wants
disarm you with a smile.
So with these, you got a pretty good protection system around, Dan? You got square head screws, sheathing nails, and regular nails. But they really do a lot to help protect the sauna, as you can see. So you're gonna get these things in good shape when you get them, that's for sure.
The years burn.
We have everything in here laid out, and Dan's gonna take over and kind of tell you how cool it is, how they package this thing.
So when you get the package opened up, you go from the base all the way to your roof. It'll be all laid out. And base on top, roof will be on the bottom. So just go lay out each section, all the boards, different ones, it'll be easy that way. You have your floor, which will have no tongue groove.
So maybe repeat, maybe tell them a little bit. Let's show the grooves and everything so they know what they're talking about there.
So these would be your wall stays with the
Yep.
groove, or the tongue and the groove on the side.
Yep.
And you get like the door cutouts.
And you can clearly tell the difference of the tongue and groove compared to the base, because the base won't have that.
Your roof will be on the bottom. We'll have these cutouts on the top, on the edges.
We did see that the glass and all that was on very top. We kind of showed you that.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
windows. Benches. Those will be on the top. Comes with the instruction manual.
And there is a downloadable form of this too in PDF that we can send you. You can take a look at that before you.
Has pictures and everything, so.
We like pictures.
Yeah.
I like things that have a lot of pictures, Dan.
Yeah, it'll be pretty easy instructions.
And this particular one is gonna go right in the corner, and we're gonna start rocking. I don't think it's gonna be too crazy compared to some of the stuff we've done, huh, Dan? All right, we'll get going.
Send this smile over to you.
So this customer in particular wanted something a little bit special with their sauna. They wanted the whole entire floor to be able to do yoga. And I know it's a little dirty right now. We clean it all up. But before we lose our light in the garage, we want to show you and give you kind of give you a little setup of what this customer did. The stove's going to be right about where Dan's standing there. And she wanted to be able to get in here with her daughters and practice yoga when it's hot in here, hot yoga. And Dan's gonna kind of show you exactly what we did.
Legs away. This in here.
So his legs swing out on his first bench, and that one just pops straight off.
Oh, we're locked.
There is a locking mechanism there. And these legs, pretty nifty, they'll come rolling out. Get another locking mechanism in the hole there. So you still get your same amount of bracing on the walls and in the middle, like you should. And then with the top one with hinges and a locking mechanism up in the corner. This one comes right down. And there you go. You can see that the bench system looks exactly the same way as it should. but it is modified to be able to do some hot yoga in here. What do you think, Dan?
I think it works good.
Should we start some hot yoga right now or what?
I think so. Why not?
So yeah, you got the same exact design as it should be, and everything get folded up and out. So a little bit of modification to it.
You ready for some hot yoga?
Dan's gonna break it back down again so you can see exactly how it's done. Yeah, Dan made a pretty cool design there. Allows it to slide right into place. We'll pull this bench, stick it right in the corner. These legs right here will swing in.
Ready for yoga.
Ready for yoga. Actually, we can have a barn dance in here, I think.
I think so.
Pretty cool.
Karate.
Now we're gonna finish up this rope, put the shingles on, and pretty much call this one a day.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze.
Well, we got her all wrapped up. Big shout out to Dan, the builder over here. We didn't quite finish the tutorial about the roof, but it's not, yeah, it's crunch time. It's like 9:30 at night. We wanted to not have his kids up all night. So it's actually really good instructions in the owner's manual on how to do the roof. Super simple. Steel shingles. Pretty nice stuff actually. But yeah, it's she is done. And we hook everybody up with these saunas with a bucket and ladle, sand timer, thermometer. Heater's gonna go right there. Electrician's coming in a couple weeks to put that, and we'll give you kind of a follow-up on how everything went. We got our dry vent. We got our intake vents. One thing I really like about this, kind of an underrated aspect, is the magnets on the doors. Yeah, so I mean when them doors shut, they're good. It's pretty cool. Pretty awesome sauna here. Look at that guy right there. So yeah, I mean we got these on the website. Check it out at cedarsense.com. They're not very hard to do. If you don't want to do it yourself, check us out. Yeah. if you don't want to do it yourself, what's that?
We'll do it for you.
That's right. We have that option. We'll go anywhere in the United States and put one of these up for you. No big deal there. So, another one in the books. Let's see where we go next.
Get this feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Oh, mountain mama, Lord, take me home. Country roads.